Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and you may have seen the 96 Bright Tangerine Orange GT that I've been posting about lately. I knew this car growing up, and it's here at the dealership, so I figured I'd come take a look. Listed at $8,995, 84,000 miles or so on it, and so a little higher than it should be listed in my opinion, but I did want to see if it was original paint because the mirrors were repainted, and it did look all original still. Again, they had changed out the headlights and taillights, which I wish they would have left stock. And it did have a exhaust system on it. I think it's a Flowmaster is what it looked like under here. So I'm sure it sounds good for what it is. And otherwise, it's pretty clean for what it is. Now, as we were talking about, they changed the top from white to black, but I was looking at it, it had all these rub marks on it, and I wonder if they stained the top to black, or because it almost looks like it has some white coming through. So I was curious about that because it was a good condition car. Otherwise, I already tried to get into it, it was locked, and you can see the orange that they put on the seats, but the white interior, which is kind of rare. But with just over 800 of these cars made, it is pretty rare, and it does look like it's the original paint. So nice car for someone. Being 1996 also, if you look into the grille, you will see the honeycomb that's there, which was a 1996 only thing. So for the right price, it'll make a nice cruiser for somebody. I'm sure they'll get a good amount out of it being at the dealership. But anyway, a nice little car, bright tangerine orange, again, 1996 only found on the GT as well, coupe and convertible. So anyway, let me know what you think. Here's a picture from it in more of its prime with the white top, and as I saw it growing up. So anyway, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more content. Thanks, guys.